Hi guys, this is Nikera. Welcome back to my channel today. Thank you so much for stopping by. I am gonna be showing you how to make your own homemade facial scrub, especially for people who have acne, and that include myself. For years I have been having problems with acne, and even since maybe it slows down since I start having kids. But yeah guys, I can actually show you my back. These are sort of old scar from acne in the past, on my scarring in my back from acne, and I mean it was worse than that. However, over the years I have been buying products after products and some of the products, they actually sort of tone your skin, so it bleaches your skin and has it's cleaning your skin and giving it, try to even out your skin tone, because I've actually went to the doctor and they gave me medication. I remember when it was really bad and I was invited to a function and I could not go because I was so embarrassed with all these pimples on my face with acne, and I just didn't go. However, I went to the doctor, they gave me creams, and I think it was called Derma something. It was just this purple container and it was quite harsh on my skin. It literally burns the color out of my clothing, so my clothing, the color becomes sort of white because it burns it. And so yeah guys, and it just didn't go away, you know. It helps for a while but then it came back. Then the doctor gave me this tablet called Dianet. Yeah, I have a recollection of what I've gone through. So it was called Dianet. So as I was happy that finally I got something, it was working, but as I read the whole content of it, it was actually for people who, it was yes, it was a contraceptive tablet. It was yes, it was for that. And however, the doctor said to me that this is going to help me, and it did. It's called Dianet. And but it was affecting my hormones level, so I had to stop after a while. Then I kept on trying this item, I tried that, and it clears it up and you know, so as I said, it clears up your pigmentation and it makes you look browner than what you are, which I didn't really like. But finally I have been doing my own sort of studies, and I did some research about all the stuff that you need, and I think one of them was ascorbic acid, and what's this one called? There was so much that I started to trial out, and it did help. I think it was vitamin B12 tablet. That one helps as well, but it was giving me a lot of headache, so I had to come off of it completely. So what I started to do was a miracle. This guy, do not underestimate vinegar, the raw vinegar, distilled vinegar. And I know a lot of people quite hot-headed about apple cider vinegar. I mean, if you love apple cider vinegar, you can go for it, but it's more expensive than just the normal plain vinegar, guys. All right, I have been using this one. This one is mostly, really, you can drink it and all of that with hot water. You drop a little bit of it and it cleanses your system. But for my face, I don't really, you can go ahead and use it because this may be too harsh for you, but trust me, if you have this horrible acne as I passed through that was happening to me, I would recommend you go and try this one. All right, but first of all, I'm going to be telling you 2 ways on how to use this. 2 ways. All right, so today I'm going to be showing you just what you need to be making at home. You don't have to go to the shop and buy expensive stuff if you don't have it. You can, you know, there are products out there that helping people, but it may be too expensive for you and you can't afford it. Well, to be honest with you, I have been into HomeSense over the years and I found this stuff. It's called Miracle Moisture. All right, Miracle Moisture. I'm not sure if the camera is picking it up properly. Okay, so with HomeSense, there's certain times they've got certain products, and when you go back to get more, it's not there, and you will look from now till tomorrow and you will never find that item anymore. So I decided, I read what was on the label, the content, and what I've picked up from it was it actually got honey inside of it. Yeah, it got honey. So I said to myself, hang on. To myself, you know what, honey is a very good ingredient that helps the healing process of the skin, because at the moment we're actually practicing this in the hospital, and as a nurse we use honey to help to dress the wound, and using honey products for dressings, those products are more expensive and they tend to work. All right, so that was one of my idea, and I said I'm gonna pull this thing together and I'm gonna make my own acne cream, acne treatment to get rid of these spots. Or if you're wearing makeup very often and you just need to clean up your skin and you're having breakout because of the makeup, guys, I am here to assist you today. All right, so what you're gonna need is banana. All right, so get yourself some ripe banana. You're gonna need some manuka honey. So if I just show you exactly what I've got here. So if you get yourself some manuka honey, all right, ripe banana. You're gonna need some Himalayan salt. Yeah, Himalayan salt. Okay, guys, a bombshell full of biotin. Yeah, so oats. All right, so any form of oats you have at your home, you can use it. All right, so your oats. Another cheaper product, this one is oats as well. So with whatever oats you have, as long as it's oats, go and grab it, guys. All right, and I'm just gonna show you what I'm gonna do. So all you need is your honey, your vinegar, and your banana. Right, so I've just given my hands another freshener, and you just want to go in with your salt. So I'm just going to measure it, the amount that I need. The Himalayan salt is this pink one, so whichever one you've got, you can use that as well. You can use the Epsom salt as well, because you know the Himalayan salt is very good to actually hydrate your skin, because it got naturally rich in over 80 minerals. So yes, guys, this stuff is very good to exfoliate our skin. So this was my idea, to add the Himalayan salt to my ingredients, because it's naturally cleaning our skin. All right, so I'm gonna just put it inside there. I think I'm gonna go with a bit more. Just add as much as you want. Depends on the amount of how much you are making. Okay. Okay. Now, for liquid wise, because your ingredients is quite dry and you want a bit of liquid, so believe you me, I am gonna be using my vinegar, distilled vinegar. I have got the apple cider vinegar, all right, but this stuff worked for me. It's a bad boy, it works. Okay, and you just want to just pour it right in there. All right, so you don't need a lot, because you want your ingredients to be very thick. You don't want it to be pasting on your face and it's dropping and it's running like water. You need a paste, so you're gonna need it quite thick. All right, and I'm going to be adding some oats. So I've just poured my oats and I just filled this one. This little scooping cup, you can get this from Poundland, all right? I'm sure wherever you are in this, you are living, you may be able to pick up something like that. All right, so I'm gonna be pouring in a good amount of Manuka honey because I bought it for this purpose, really, for my skin. It's not coming out. I am just going to scoop it out. All right, so I have about that amount, okay? Yeah, so that will do. Right, because the vinegar can be a little bit harsh on our skin, so we are going to be needing, you can add the olive oil. I would suggest you add some olive oil, all right, just to smooth the skin. So this is the one that I have made, and it actually smells of honey and banana. It smells really nice. So as you can see, yeah, so that's my finished one, and the container is empty now. And the good thing about this, guys, it didn't spoil, it didn't go off. I have it there, as I said. I made a big amount of portion that it kept me for a long time. My kids use it as well, just to exfoliate their skin as well. They love it. My daughter is almost going her little teen mature stage, so she's having little pimples coming out on her skin as well, and she's using it, and she said, "Mommy, this thing is so good. It makes my skin smooth and the bumps disappearing." So even for your kids, your teenager girls that's maturing, or boy, guys, try this out, all right? Yeah. If you are somebody who your skin is sensitive to olive oil, don't use olive oil, because I realize that my skin doesn't like olive oil. It tends to burn my skin, so I'm not going to be adding it today. I strongly believe I didn't add it to my last product that I did use. So yeah, the honey should be good enough to moisture my skin, so I'm not going to be adding the olive oil, because it burns my skin when I use it on my skin. Okay. Another banana. I might use another 2 bananas. Yeah, because my girls is so much into this now, so let me just go ahead and use the rest. That's it, guys. I'm just gonna blend it now. All right, guys, so this is it. So it's everything has been blended now. I just want to shake it together and we're good to go. And I've just got some lovely, beautiful Caniston jars, guys. You can get this at Home Sense. Look out for them. They got the lid with it. Okay. You can also thrift these items, guys. You can get these beautiful things from the thrift shop. Go and have a look in them, or you can go and buy the brand new ones. Okay. And as I said, it won't get, I don't know if it's because of the salt that is inside there, it doesn't grow any fungi. This is how thick it is. You see that? Consistency is very thick. And that's it. Just cover it like that. And I'll be keeping this in my bathroom and just put it in my little alcove shelving area in my bathroom. And so I've made two, so this one would be for my daughter and this is for myself. And I also use this stuff, this for rough hands as well. I've been using it on my hands. If you've been doing a lot of work over the years, especially us in the age of 40 and above, you know, our skin get a bit wear and tear. So just to demonstrate the old one that I was having in here, I would use it and scrub the palms of my hand, and I will use it to smells so nice. And I would use it to scrub it, and I put some plastic gloves on it as well and kept it for a while. And then if I just show you, because normally if you do a lot of house cleaning, tidying up, and you are somebody that always do all the little rough chores here and there, you know, sometimes our skin get a little bit very rough and can be really extremely dry. So you can use it to smooth and soften the palm of your hands. Okay, all right guys, so I'm showing you my beauty secret today. Okay, look at it, the palm of my hand already getting white. I don't know if you can see any change, but there's not much, but I have seen magnificent changes when I've used it. It makes my palm of my hand becomes very, look at that, it just, I should have shown you before really, but I felt like it just tightens up my skin automatically and makes it look a little bit younger and fresh, and the palm of my hand look a little bit more white and feel more softer as well. So try it for yourself guys, okay, please. This is not a money making thing for me because I don't even have a lot of subscribers out there, much less. So to be honest, I didn't have to share this, but I know I've seen a lot of girls out there with this acne, and I just want to stop them on the road and say, hey, you want to use this? But I said, you know, I'm going to do it the proper way, and I'm just going to share it with you guys out there who is actually really desperately need help. But if you're using something that's working for you, just stick with it, all right? But if it's not working and you need another option, another solution, what to do, and you're confused and perplexed, then give it a go, all right? It won't hurt. It's natural product, homemade product. And I'm just gonna wash my hands off now, and I'll show you how amazing it works just on the palm of my hand and the back. There. I didn't put, there's no soap. You don't need to add soap when you use this, guys, because it deep cleans your skin, all right? Look at my hands, it feels so smooth. Look at, it's just so beautiful, so smooth, guys. You see what I mean? See, the palm of my hand becomes a little bit more clean. It's more red, more purified, and it's more soft. Oh, I can't believe I can't get over this, guys. Anybody knows me, you will know that I'm not lying, because I do tends to have a rough hand, and I can feel a little bit embarrassed about it to shake people's hand because it's so rough. But I'm so pleased with this. I'm so pleased with this. All right, so give it a go. All right, yeah. Shalom. Bye. Stay blessed.